In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Canva. If you're trying to create a dark mode style, a bold graphic look, or simply want to flip the colors of an image inside Canva, this process is actually very straightforward once you know where to look. Instead of moving your design into another editing app, you can do everything directly inside Canva using its built-in editing tools. Start by opening Canva and going to the project you want to edit. From your home dashboard, find the design you want to work on and open it so you're inside the main editor. Once your project is on screen, click once on the specific photo, logo, or graphic you want to invert. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline appear around that element. This part matters because you want to make sure you're editing only the graphic itself, not the entire page or a different layer by mistake. With that image selected, move up to the toolbar at the top of the editor and click Edit Photo. This opens the image editing panel on the left side, where Canva keeps its filters and adjustment controls. Using this panel is the cleanest way to invert colors without covering your design with extra shapes or effects that could interfere with transparency. Once the editing panel is open, scroll down to the filters section. Depending on the type of image you're using, Canva may offer an invert style option under sections like classic or mono. Look for a filter called invert or negative, then click it once to apply the effect. This is the quickest method, and it works well when you want an instant color reversal across the whole image. If you want more control, go back up in the same editing panel and open Adjust. This is useful when you want to fine-tune the look instead of relying on a single preset. Scroll down until you find the tone and color controls. From there, drag highlights all the way to the left, then move shadows and blacks all the way to the right. This gives you a manual inversion style effect and can help when you're working with graphics that need a more customized result. After that, take a moment to check your layout. If needed, drag the edited graphic slightly and use Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything still lines up properly in your design. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if this is for digital use, or PDF print if you plan to print it. Then click Download to save your finished file, and that's it. You've successfully inverted colors in Canva and exported your updated design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.